Oh no, ChatGPT stopped again. I was in the middle of my work, and now it says I've reached my free limit. Do I have to pay every month just to use AI? Nope. Don't worry. SoftLabs AI has the perfect solution.
What if I told you that you could run your own free ChatGPT alternative completely offline on your Windows PC? No subscriptions, no API costs, and your conversations stay completely private because everything runs locally on your PC. I'm working on a serious AI automation project where I'll be releasing more free AI apps and powerful AI tools to help you save time and money. So, if you don't want to miss them, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To run a ChatGPT alternative locally on your PC, you'll need a free AI application called Jan AI. It's a free and open source software available for Windows. I've included the download link in the description below. Once Jan AI has finished downloading, click the installer to begin the installation. Jan AI is now being installed on your computer. This should only take a few moments. That's it. Jan AI has been successfully installed on your computer, and you're now ready to set it up. At the bottom, you'll see that Jan AI recommends a model called Jan V 3.5. It's about 3 gigabytes in size, making it a great choice for getting started. If you don't want to go through a complicated setup, simply download this recommended model and start using Jan AI right away. But if you want the best possible AI experience, don't settle for the recommended model. Instead, head over to the hub in the top left corner. Here, you'll find a wide range of AI models to choose from. If you see a green check mark, the model will run smoothly on your PC. If it says may be slow, the model can still run, but it might be slower because it needs more powerful hardware. And if it says won't fit, your computer doesn't have enough hardware resources to run that model. If you're confused about which model to start with, don't worry. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire list, then Ctrl+C to copy it. Make sure all the text is copied, because we will be asking AI to guide us in selecting the best model. Now open any AI assistant, such as ChatGPT, and paste the list you copied. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the pasted list. And here I've also prepared a prompt file for you. In the middle section, simply enter your computer's hardware specifications. At the end of the prompt, mention what you plan to use Jan AI for, like coding, writing, studying, or general chat. Once you've filled in those details, copy the prompt, paste it below the list, and press enter. The AI will analyze the available models and recommend the best one for your computer and your specific needs. In my case, ChatGPT recommended the model called Qwen 3.5-9b. Simply copy the recommended model name and return to Jan AI. Click on the search bar at the top and paste the model name. If you don't see any results, just press backspace a few times until the matching models appear in the search results. Now, when I scroll up, you can see the exact model ChatGPT recommended. Now click on Show Variants, and I will download this variant, as this is not only balanced, but also recommended. To download the model, click Download. Once the model has finished downloading, click on New Chat. At the top, you'll see all the available AI models. The models at the bottom, like Anthropic and Azure, require API access. Since we want to run AI locally, select the Qwen 3.5-9b model that we just downloaded. Now, before we test the model, I'll turn off my internet. Now, let's enter a prompt and press enter. As you can see, the AI is reasoning through the prompt. Depending on your hardware and the model, this may take a few moments. And there you go. Here's the response. Considering how simple the prompt was, the output is actually good and impressive. I'm working on a serious AI automation project, and I'll be releasing more free AI apps and powerful AI tools in upcoming videos. So, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss them.